cybernetics.
Hello everybody, this is Opster Gaming here, and today we will be talking about the universal rendering pipeline in Unity. Now, if you was to use a standard rendering pipeline, which is what you normally use, you will likely find that once you import prefabs from the asset store, they'll come up pink like this. Usually you'll go to your standard shader, and it should work perfectly fine. However, the difference in universal rendering pipeline is that this might not always be the case specifically for the standard shader. You'll likely never see the standard shader because we're using universal rendering pipeline. So what you need to do is go and grab your asset, pick one here, so you've got a road here. Over there. You'll see it's currently a standard, but we'll have to change it to universal render pipeline, then put it to lit. But you can see that it's actually turned completely white, which is not what you want. You want it to have the texture, which is supposed to be on the prefab. So what you actually have to do is go to your surface inputs, and you see a base map here. It's completely empty. This is the issue. If you now go to your base map, double click it normally. And so go find your texture. Usually it'll be in your pack in the textures. You should see it right here, the road color. So now if we go down here and we go and put the road color into the base map, you can see I've got the actual road color in there right now. And now your texture will render perfectly. Now this can be a tricky issue if you don't actually know the solution to it. Once you actually know the solution to it, which hopefully this video has given you, you'll find that this should work 99.9% of the time. I have found personally that most of the time the issue is this, and this should solve the issue. So I hope this video is useful to you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you need any help or if it worked for you. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell icon for more content. For now, peace out.